Hello! So, welcome back to Love Are Your Favorites. I have some unboxing again for you. I'm gonna show you the box now. So, I've got this box. There you go. There's a new goodies here. If you like skincare and any other beauty products, you would probably know this one. So, let's start to open it. I bought this one with my own money. I've never been sponsored with anything, so there you go. As you can see, still intact, never been touched. So there you go. Yay! This is the one. It's FDA cleared, and this is a at-home device. It's like the same as the doctors is using in clinics, but basically it's in a lower, it's like a lower kind of version, so it's going to be safely to be used at home. It's not going to damage your skin or cause any damage to you. So yeah, it's I believe this is Philips. Is it not? Sorry, it's Tria. And it is for rejuvenation of the skin. So it's gonna help with anti-aging, smoothing your fine lines and wrinkles. At the moment, I can't really say anything about that because I don't have any wrinkles yet. But I could notice some fine lines on my forehead. But that's not a worry for me. I am more concerned of my pigmentation from my acne few years ago and few months ago. So I want to clear those things, and of course I want to have a smoother skin. I don't have any I don't usually go to esthetician or any dermatologist. I been last year, that's the last time that I went, and when I went back to Philippines on February, so I went to my dermatologist, but I don't go often. Hence, I want to buy an at-home kind of products, and this one is been in the market for I believe 4 to 5 years now, and this one is on sale. So the original price is 450 pounds, and I got it only for 135 pounds. So that's a bargain. For me, that's really a bargain. If it's a good product, why not spend a little bit and that make you feel better? So if you open this one, you have one device. It says, just gonna put it closer. It says, okay, this is how you do it, like that. And what I have been reading online, apparently you have to use it for 10 minutes for 8 weeks, and then you have to have at least 4 weeks of resting period, and then you have to start all over again. So that's how you use it. So commitment is essential to have a good skin. Although some people have a really good genes of like having that perfect skin, unfortunately I don't have that. So let's open this up. So this is it. There you go. I have a Tria device before, the blue light, if you know the Tria blue light, and that's really effective. But I have only used it for 2 years, and I think the device can damage, or because it's such a powerful device, I think it doesn't last. So this is how it looks like. It's a nice nice box. So when you open it, there you go. Comes with leaflets and charging stand. Just have to put it like that. And then what else can we see inside? What's this? Okay, so just cables. Just cables. And that's it. Very sturdy box. There you go. So let's see the product now. I'm not going to review yet because I need to charge this thing. Oh, is it charged? It's a very lightweight kind of product, and it's very comfortable to hold. And I'm not really sure how to use this one yet. Oh, I think it's in here. So there's some laser section here that, oh my goodness, it hurts. Not really. It's just freaking out. So I think you just have to glide this one. Ooh, it doesn't, ow. So it's okay. It feels like prickly, right? Okay, I didn't expect that. So you could feel a bit of like a what can I say with this one? Let me try again. So I hope this is not, I'll remove my watch. I'm not sure if this is gonna conduct some electricity or some laser beam. I don't know, but I'll remove that. I believe you have to remove all your jewelry when you do this one. So okay, right. First impression, I'm not gonna put it on my face yet because I have some sunscreen on. I'm not wearing anything but just a sunscreen. Of course, if you have to do this one, you need to properly cleanse your face first. So I'll do that next time. But by testing on my hand, it feels like you know when you like using a tweezer and try to like take off some hair on your hand, it feels like that. Oh, yeah, but for the sake of beauty, I'm going to do it. Plus I already bought it, so I got no choice. So I'll let you know again next time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so I can do more videos. And I hope you have a good night because it's nighttime here now, and see you next time. Bye.